Does he tell you he loves you when you least expect it? Does he fly in your heart when he kisses your neck? No scientist or biology, it's obvious. So when he's holding me, it's only natural that I'm so affected. Oh, and my heart won't beat again if I can't feel him in my veins. No need to question, I already know. It's in his DNA, it's in his DNA, it's in his DNA, and he just takes my breath away, breath away. I feel it every day, and that's what makes him not hard to understand. Perfect in every way, I see it in his face. Nothing more to say. It's in his DNA. It's the blue in his eyes that helps me see the future. Fingerprints that leave me covered for days. Yeah, yeah. Now I don't have any first degree, but I know what he does to me. No need to work it out, it's so familiar. Oh, and my heart won't beat again if I can't